Hi guys, I want to show you the Malaysia. That says Malaysia already. So still with the gang. Oy, gang again. Still want to let you show you the surroundings. I want to tell you guys na may Uniqlo. Uniqlo again. Uniqlo again, guys. Because as for your convenience. Wala pa talaga tayong magawa sa buhay, guys. Just to... Uy! Ang Christmas tree, guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope you are fine. Thank you, everyone.
I will always speak out when you get watching TV.
With my Drekkie there. Today we're celebrating Christmas. And so many questions here also. And mostly the mall is accepting Christmas for their decorations. Kadaghanan jud siya sa mga tao. It's like celebrating Christmas. So that's us. TRX, the exchange commissions. This is ako. Pero sa sulod, papapunta sa sulod, guys. So, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope are you okay and fine, thank you. If not okay, just still go smile and then just go on in your life, guys. No need to stop, just go on and go on and go on. You see, even the Malay people still like our Christmas tree, guys, for their picture taking. Yan, tutunda sa trees. So, minsanan lang talaga itong dalawa to. So, their mommy take picture for them. So, that's why napapayag. And there. Here our weather here, guys, as same like the Philippines. So TRX is still a new mall, still a new building, just opened last year ago. And then with our, what type of decor? Royalty na may kabayo na ganyan. Yes. Oh my gosh, why is so tugnaw? So malinis yung sulod sa mall. Is that your dream car, guys? But so small with the big eyes.
Bag eyes.
So morning pat, guys. Hinapawi baligya sa laan, guys. Maybe if you want long. Christmas anywhere, guys. Buy more, free more. Ah. So here, guys. We are so young now. Patay na good. We are so young, so young. Our banana bro, guys. So maghatan lang mo zira og kanang down sa gang. Magda lang po video sa Cebu, guys. Torta mo sa mong Cebu. Allah. The sharing is caring there. Then our favorite Pop Mart, guys, for the collections of our minumulto ako ng kahapon. Inner child, guys. Nasarbaling mahala. Saning mahala, tapos ipanglabay na mo dito sa salog, guys. Ano nani, guys, oh. Panglabay yung salog. Ako na pwede punit. Hey, hey, hey. Ano, guys?
Orange.
Buhay pa dito itong Teletubbies, guys. So, here our Christmas celebration, guys. Okay na sana yon, kaso lang. So sorry, we don't like you already. Dahil may pinagdadaanan tayo. So, mga mga tao dito sa Malaysia, guys. Ako po dahil kay tao. Look, cute. Tignan yung benchy. Ay, ice cream. Chocolate na imported, guys. And here is our Merry Christmas, everyone. And we end up to the car, to the sports car. Nga, dako man siyag mata, guys. Oh, siga man yung mata. So, mo lang to among TRX. This is TRX, the exchange commissions. Red celebration. Christmas. Here. Still Merry Christmas, everyone.
Let's do this right. One. Show mo.
Ariel, what you said you
Harvest! Bali.
Get Merry Christmas daw.
oh Merry Christmas. Now it's almost 12.
Oh.
25号我知道，
今天25号要完了咯。
都还没有过吗
25号是 Christmas。
我知道
今天 Christmas
搞到没呢
今天我搞到，昨天晚上搞不到了。
哦
昨天是 Christmas Eve。Jesus was born this night.